A dozen of inspiring and motivating gym quotes. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Kiel Vlogs. Our topic for today is about a dozen of inspiring and motivating gym quotes. Enjoy watching. We all know that working out is hard work and requires dedication. These positive thoughts and phrases will talk about determination, hard work, self-discipline, motivation, goals, excuses, laziness, habits, procrastination, achievement, pushing yourself, confidence, courage, believing in yourself, fitness, and more. 1. Soar today. Strong tomorrow. 2. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. 3. The only bad workout is the one that didn't happen. 4. Someone busier than you is working out right now. 5. Don't talk about getting things done. Just get them done. 6. The human body is the best picture of the human soul. 7. You will never always be motivated. You have to learn to be disciplined. 8. Pain is temporary. Quitting lasts forever. 9. A little progress each day adds up to big results. 10. It's going to be hard. But hard is not impossible. 11. Success is what comes after you stop making excuses. 12. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please support us by subscribing to our channel, Kiel Vlogs. We will be happy if you leave comments, like and share this video. Till next time.